right, today we're gonna bring a dangling chandelier. This is a beautiful, you need a high ceiling for this, but you have options. All right, you don't have to add all of them to make them real high. You can make them as low as you want. You could cut the actual cable, shorten it up. This is how you come in they come in the box. They come well secure. They have plastics and cardboard in between, and all you need is make sure that these are the last fixtures that you're going to set up for the light bulbs. All right, so we're going to tighten it up and we're going to hang them today and see how well it looks. All right, when you get out of the box, if these are loose, you got to go in here and tie it up, and they also give you a little wrench for it too. All right, when you get them, these things are supposed to be a little spring, so just push them in there, click them in there, make sure they click the bottom. All right, another great thing is that if you want to extend it, you could add these, or if you want to shorten it, you can just take these off and end to end. All right, so just to let you guys know, on the sticks, on the long poles. We're finally done. I set it up on the ground first. We could extend it even longer, but I don't want it to be too long, so we're just going to set this up right now. Give me a break on that one. All right, we got brighter light bulbs, so you guys can see how beautiful it looks. I only use 2 poles here, but you could do it as long as you want. This is perfect for high ceilings. Beautiful atmosphere that gives it good shine. I put high bright light bulbs. If you guys can see, LED lights. There's different kinds of light bulbs on this one. Beautiful, gives you a beautiful lighting all around it. It was very simple to install, very simple to adjust. You could adjust these if they're not evenly open. You could open it up, very simple. Now out of the box, I had to tighten them 2 of them actually, but it came with its own wrench. I like the way it's set up. That's actually flexible. You could swing it either way. If it's a little crooked, you can move it to a right or to a left. These are, like I said, adjustable to even them out. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.